Ever wondered how one skincare ingredient can make your skin feel instantly softer, smoother, and plumper? That magic? It's science. It's hyaluronic acid. Let's break it down. Hyaluronic acid, or HA, might sound like a harsh chemical, but it's actually something your body makes naturally. You'll find it in your skin, joints, eyes, and connective tissues. Its job? To hold on to moisture. And I mean a lot of moisture. Just one molecule of hyaluronic acid can bind up to 1,000 times its weight in water. That's like a microscopic sponge, keeping your skin hydrated, elastic, and full of life. But like most good things, we make less of it as we age. That's where skincare science steps in. Let's zoom in. Your skin has three main layers: the outer epidermis, the middle dermis, and the deeper subcutaneous tissue. Most of your body's natural hyaluronic acid lives in the dermis. There, it acts like a magnet for water, keeping your skin hydrated from the inside out. But over time, things like aging, UV exposure, and pollution reduce your body's HA production. The result? Skin that's dry, tight, and dull, with fine lines that seem to appear overnight. Topical HA can help replenish what's been lost. But does it really work? Short answer? Yes, but not all hyaluronic acid is created equal. The key is molecular weight. Larger molecules stay on the surface, great for smoothing and softening. Smaller ones? They penetrate deeper, delivering hydration below the surface. Some skincare products mix different molecular sizes for a full-layer hydration boost. Just remember this one golden rule. Apply HA to damp skin, then follow up with a good moisturizer. Otherwise, it might pull moisture out of your skin instead of drawing it in. Hydration is just the beginning. Hyaluronic acid also helps with wound healing, reducing inflammation, boosting skin elasticity, strengthening your skin barrier. It's gentle, effective, and safe for all skin types, even sensitive ones, which explains why it's in everything from serums and creams to injectables and sheet masks. So what should you look for in an HA product? Check the label for names like sodium hyaluronate. That's a stable, easily absorbed form of HA. Also look for hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid for deeper skin penetration. And here's a pro tip. HA works best in a humid environment. If you live in a dry climate or use it in air conditioning, it can backfire, pulling water from your own skin instead of the air. Solution? Use a humidifier or apply a good occlusive moisturizer to lock in that hydration. So here's the bottom line. Hyaluronic acid is more than just a trendy buzzword. It's backed by real science. It attracts moisture, supports your skin structure, and helps maintain that youthful, healthy glow. Used correctly and consistently, it can make a real difference. So hydrate, lock it in, and let your skin drink it up. Your future self will thank you. If you learned something new, give this video a like and hit subscribe for more skin science made simple. Stay radiant, inside and out.